Planning your baby's first birthday? Let's make it extra special with a DIY invitation that actually spins, featuring your little one's photo. To make DIY spinning photo invitation, you will need a free template that's available on our website. Link is in the description box below. Cardstock, glue, pencil, blade, compass, ruler, scissors. Cut out the templates on cardstock. You will have two inner circles, one with photo and other is its base. Then two outer circles, one with invitation and the other its base. Then the spin mechanisms and stickers for decoration. Start by using the photo circle template. Glue the other circle behind it for extra support. Then carefully cut along the line up to the midpoint as shown in the template. Next, take the invitation circle and make cut where marked. Now let's attach the spin mechanism. Take triangular cutout, glue on the upper side, leaving the rectangle section free. Then take the step cutout and attach on the lower side, again leaving space for the square to spin. Add cute stickers or tiny embellishments to the square that peeks out. Gently slide in the photo circle inside the invitation circle. Give it a test spin. Finish it off by gluing the last backing circle. This hides the mechanism and gives your card a clean, professional look. And that's it, your DIY spinning photo invitation is ready to impress. Love this idea? Hit like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more creative crafts. See you next time. Bye bye.